I first heard from Johnny Seeds from Bumblebee Junction, and they were showing these awesome pelleted carrot seeds, which I bought last year and tried them. Awesome, game changer. But then I forgot all about Johnny Seeds until this came in the mail. And you know how these seed catalogs and chick catalogs go this time of year? Yeah. But needless to say, they have everything in this catalog. I had so much fun looking at it. Well, I happen to have some Christmas money burning a hole in my pocket, and here we are with a very expensive box of seeds. Let's see what's in it. I wasn't aware of this, but it does say they're an employee-owned company, which is kind of interesting. So you saw all the other seeds that I have ready to go this year, and it actually does turn out I can use these. I had Steve look over my order before I sent it to make sure that I wasn't being any more ridiculous than is slightly reasonable for a gardener. So here's my invoice. Nicely packaged, right? Let's see what is in here. Oh, so cute. Now I do have one thing that is back ordered. I noticed they are not in a little container like I thought maybe they would be. All right, so first up is Sugar Baby Watermelon. Watermelons don't grow here for some reason. I've never had success, but why not? Let's try again. I got these beautiful Florenza sunflowers. You guys have seen my little sunflower area. These are so pretty. They were like a darker, like brown color, so I'm gonna try some of those. I got Butter Crunch lettuce in one last ditch effort to try to get a certain child around here to eat some of my lettuce. All right, this is a hybrid broccoli called Arcadia. And I grow broccoli, I grow a lot of it, and I always buy the plants because I can't get seeds to start. But why not try again, right? This one is supposed to be better for like fall plantings and colder weather. So we'll see how it goes. All right, the Max Pack cucumber. I have disease problems sometimes in my cucumbers and thought maybe I'd try this one. It's got a little more resistance. All right, another little packet. I'm extremely excited about this, guys. This is called the Micro Mix, the little microgreens that I hear so much about and I never really cared about until I saw it in the seed catalog and thought, I can do this. So one is the mild micro mix and the other is the spicy micro mix. So we'll see how these do. And then I have a gigantic package of lizard spinach. Doesn't sound very appetizing, but this one I think I picked because it maybe is slower to bolt or something. I'm not sure why, but I did need some broccoli. I'm getting low on broccoli seeds. And then I have, for whatever reason, a super big package. And I'm not entirely sure why I have a super big package. I think it could be because the price difference wasn't much. But these are Cylindra beets. And I found these one time in a store in just a normal packet, and I really liked them. They grow, you know, longer, more almost like a carrot root type of shape as opposed to a round beet. They are so much easier to can and just slice. So I wanted some and I got them. All right, on back order, let me see. I do have something on back order. And I believe that it is, yes, the Calibration Kale Mix. That's on back order. And I love my kale, so it's like a bunch of a little assortment of kale. You can use it, cut it earlier for baby greens. So that's what's in my box. I am really looking forward to getting this stuff going. I'm hoping to have a better gardening season this year, so we'll see how it goes. But first, I want to show you something that might be a game changer. I see a lot of people starting all their plants from seeds, and I'll be honest, it makes me a little envious. Yet every year or every couple years, I will try to do it, and it just does not work for me. It ends up just being a big waste of time and money and everything else. It just doesn't work, and I still buy the plants. Then I had an idea. What if I did this? What if I had some type of a little growing situation where I could put growing lights in it and start my seeds there. I thought of one of these greenhouses that I always see at clearance at the end of the year, and they look too small to do anything with, kind of dumb. Yet there I was in Menards looking for one. Guess how much it was? $20 with the rebate. So I went ahead and got one. There it is. My new, hopefully, seed starting station. I'll do a video about that pretty soon so you can find out what I'm thinking with this. Thanks for watching, guys.